Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download and install AnyDesk of Windows. So for it, just go to any browser, and in the browser you need to search for AnyDesk download, then press enter, and get link in desktop.com/download/Windows. So I'll get this link in the description. So after coming here, we can use Windows, Mac OS, Android, whatever. So I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click on Windows. Then we need to click here and download now. So this will download the exe file. And then you can see download started over here. And it is only 4180, it will take a few seconds. And there you can see the download is complete. So when the download is complete, you just need to double click on the download file. So here it will take you to this page, and here you can see install AnyDesk on this device. You just click here and keep it how it is. Then here, just click here accept and install. So this will install AnyDesk on your device, and there you can see. And if something like this pop up, just click on install. So our AnyDesk installation is complete. So right now you can just close this, and here if we just search for AnyDesk, here you can be showing us AnyDesk. If we click on it, there you go. So this is how we can download and install AnyDesk. I hope this was useful. If you have any report, share or suggestion, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future video.